Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketanat Bording ke Sorkar Jelau iti Mondal loong ba Namar ke Jinglong Jingman jong ke Suiñbneng bat ke Jingbambiang ke haki jaka pelang ban sam Bording Namar ke Duna palat uslam kala penlang ban syemi ki senjam ban Pynlip ding elektrik ke bakha kha apo ke Jelah. Ya kini Mondal wilayah tu abakran cikilat patai kubor mentah ke singi ke santarik uyayong arajar arpulai haba bu jingkeli halor ke jing Pynlip ding elektrik habaro kowe ke Jelah. Mondal loong ba ke Duna slap kala penong ru ya ke kiu dor ha ke syem ya ki ding elektrik na ki wei ki Jelah Meghalaya. Haba keli ya ki senjam ki ba ke Sorkar Jelah ke syem na ke bentaban Duna ya ke kerdo ding elektrik uni Menteri Ketanat Bording loong ba ke Sorkar Jelah Hakis nam mencua kala dep ya soy soskular bat ki company ki badai bantai ki project penmi Bording henrai na ki babuan ki daw kini ki company kim syem lala ban penyat syakmat ki jingtai ki project bat ka kam kala sakut no kum tu.
To us the daytime. So what kind of steps are you going to take to reduce this load shedding?
See, I agree with you. People are suffering, and we are really concerned about this problem also. When children are also facing this problem because of their examination and all this. But you see, in the lean period, we face this trouble when rainfall is very scanty, and most of our power projects are hydropower project, which depends on the rainwater, because our rivers are rainwater-fed rivers. Now, in this period, we are having some added problems also, like our central share from some centrally sponsored project, copied down. From there, we used to get committed power supply, but because of the shutdown of these projects, we lose around quite a huge quantum of power that is not coming to our grid. We are having our own problems at home also because of renovation, repair. We are not able to put the optimum power in the grid. Due to that, this is happening. And only way we go around is to go for power banking or power swapping. Actually, what happens in the monsoon season one, we are having surplus power. We give some states or some utility who wants to take power from us, and during the lean period, we take back that power from them. So now the summer started in the plain areas and other states also. So the demand in the exchange is very high. So rate of power is also very high. And these utilities we used to bank with us are no more want to bank at this juncture. So all this compounded the present positions. Definitely the government and also MECR is working round the clock to see that if any relief can be given to consumers.
But the possibility of load shedding for a stretch of 5 to 6 hours.
Yeah, I'm agreeing with you. And we are not doing this one. Just we want to do it. Out of compulsion, we are doing.
But any likelihood that the power department is going to give some relaxation in the hours of the load shedding?
Yeah, the moment we improve our situation, I told you that it also depends on how the power is available in the grid, or if we can go for some more shorting and all these things, then definitely we will relax the period.
So what is the shortage of power at present?
See, we are having our central share around 72 million units. Our state we generate around 60 million units. So at present we are having availability around 88 million units, and our requirement is 200 million units. So we are short by 112 million units. So this is the hardest fact that we are facing.
And from the own state generation, what is the amount being generated?
16 million unit.
Can you make it into
Megawatt.
megawatt?
Yeah, we can convert it.
Is unbroken. And state how much we are
And
losing?
of course, some more is also. And 3.45. 35 and 3.45.
Sir,
From copy. State one state.
And state how much we are losing?
State also so much.
Total.
Total at present I will tell that this unit 3 is shut down, which is around Metro Alaska. So 42 megawatt. The 3 units are there of 42. So 1 unit down is 42 megawatt down. So 2 units are down now here. Then Umiam also we are having 2 units of 60 megawatt. Those two are also like that.
Habakali Shapang ka jing saram ka MECL shikiwe ki company ba ka jilla ka shimi ka ding electric na kalyang Mondal ulang ba ka ni ka kam ka day ka bayay beteng bat kam don jing ta namar ba ka sor karu ka don kum kanong ba kli bat ay jing kershani ka MECL hadu mentah. Habak kren pat halor ka jing kano pendon kam baklaya ka so bahagia scheme Mondal ulang ba ka day tang ka jing kano bat ka jing token kaladon ha ka bala pha e ka kai phot sa ka tanat platingka na ka benta ban khmi ya ka ni.
sir, is the power department coming up, with a plan to address this power shortage in the long term?
Yes, we are planning. We are planning a lot of things. This is, of course, earlier also government has planned, and you must be aware that we have gone for so many MOU signing with independent power producers, but somehow or other this could not take place. Some those who want to start, they have some issues. So we are saying that whether these issues can be sorted out or not. If that is done, even that way also we can look forward. See, that details if you want I can give you, but at present the details is not there because we keep on paying, it is not that not good. No, as of now government is supporting MECL, so there is no worry as of now. No, that's what I am telling. I was thinking that we are discussing with only this load shedding and all these things. Okay. If you request, I can seek next time all details.
Government also not following up on complaint.
No, see, not only us, even central government is following up. And all the states are the stakeholders, no? So pressure is on them also. ONGC, Tripura Power Company, I don't know exactly how much we are getting, but we are getting.
The department is waiting for the views of the finance department. So has that report come to you?
No, not yet. Actually, we are discussing further into it. Let us see.
So is there really a scam in the implementation of the Sabhagyas?
No, how can you tell? These are allegations only. That's why independent inquiry has been constituted.
So when can we expect the views of the finance department?
Let us see.
Sir, according to MECL, during this period, there is an unusual load demand, and the gap between supply and demand is 40 megawatt. Why is this unusual load demand, sir?
No, it is not unusual. Actually, demand is more or less same. And if you consider Meghalaya, in winter our demand goes up. That's why this problem comes. And I told you the power shortage from the different generating companies.
So last time you had a meeting with the Minister of Power, Central Minister of Power, as well as the NTPC officials. You can just tell us the key points of that meeting.
No, we discussed about various issues relating to NTPC. So this is still on discussion level. So, only thing I can tell you that as per the assurance of the Honorable Minister Power, we are looking forward very positively.
Any new project?
As of now, no. As of now, no means in the sense new project. We are having some survey and investigation. Some are very advanced stage, but not that we are executing immediately.
When will be the second unit of?
That's what I'm telling. We are executing the investigation and all these things. Service investigation is required, and it is a long process. You see, as far hydel power project is concerned, so sometimes it is difficult.
So how do you look at the scenario? Is it beyond redemption? Is it irreparable?
No, it can be.
How do you time it?
Timing. See, it is even too early for me to tell you the details, because as soon as I took over the department, we have gone for session. So after this session, now we'll be sitting and discussing all this, what we'll do. Our intention is to see that MECL's this shortfall is improving.
This Gunner power project, one unit only generated. So this one unit cannot generate enough power, or is it
See,
generated?
problem is with our river is that unless proper rain is there, generation becomes big. So
What
try
about-
to avoid it.
What about renewable energy?
Renewable energy, of course, hydel is also one of them. But if you mean that solar energy or wind energy and all these things, see, these are very costly affairs and requires huge plot of land. But there is mandate also to have this. We are looking into this angle also.
How many months you have to wait then for a regular supply of?
See, again, it depends on the how the rivers are having water.